Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online English class. Let's begin our English class of the second poem of class 9th from your Beehive book. Let's start the poem. Listen to second poem, Wind. This poem is written by Subramania Bharti. Now let's discuss about the title Wind. You all know that what's the meaning of wind? Wind is a natural phenomenon. In this poem, the poet talks to the wind. The power of wind has been described here. Now the introduction about the poet. Subramania Bharti was born on 1882 and died in 1921. He was a Tamil writer. This poem is originally in Tamil language by Subramania Bharti and it was translated in English by A. K. Ramanujan. Now, introduction part about the poem. In this poem, the poet has very beautifully expressed his idea about both the destructive and constructive aspect of the wind. Here poet linked the destructive power of the wind to the adversities of life and says that the weak people break down, but stronger people emerge out of adversity stronger. Wind symbolizes the difficulties that are faced in life. The poem gives an important message that we should be mentally tough and physically strong in order to survive the hardship of life. In this poem, Subramania Bharti has advised us to be strong in mind and body. The wind will be our friend. When we are strong, actually, the wind represents the difficulties and challenges. We should encounter them boldly. Now we start the poem. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutter of the window. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. Here, see the meanings first. Softly, slowly, shutter, door, scatter, throw in various direction. Here the poet is talking to the wind. He asked the wind to come softly. So he is saying that the wind should not be very strong, loud. It should be soft. Then he says that the wind is very powerful. It is destructive. It breaks the shutter of windows and scattered the paper. Wind is powerful. All the books which are kept on the shelf fall down. So here the poet is described the power of wind. A weak person break down like a weak building and crumble. We must make this destructive force our friends with our strength and determination. We have to bear the difficulties in life. We can overcome each challenges. But if we are weak and unstable, we have to face the difficulties. of life. See, my dear student, when the wind is powerful, it damages all things. Those who are weak, they get fear with wind because it get hurt to the weak. And those who are powerful, they can face any problem in easy way. Dear, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. First, you see the hard meanings. Poking fun, making fun of something or laughing. Weakling, a person who is weak. Here the poet wants to say that the wind didn't listen to the poet. Wind did the destruction. It tore the pages. It brought the rain. It destroyed the weak houses, doors, and heart. The wind god has cursed them all. Whenever the wind is strong, all the weak, like plants, children, etc., get fearful and sometimes get hurt. In the initial part of the poem, the poet refers to the wind as a young child. Firstly, he said that it comes softly, as a child does. Later on, he comes to know that it became destructive, like a youth, full of energy, violence, and destruction. Here the wind blow out the weak fires out like the strong fire. Roar, flourish. Thus the poem convey the idea that nobody cares for the weak. Even the wind is on the side of the strong people. We must ourselves strong to become successful and overcome the challenges in life. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling heart. First, you see the meanings. Crumbling, fall or to cause something to break. Rafter, sloping beam which support the roof of the building. Here the word crumbling is repeated so many times to lay stress that everything crumbles in the face of a strong wind. Here the writer is saying that when the wind is very powerful, it is very strong, it leads to break edges of everything. Houses which are weak fall down. Doors which are weak falls. The beam on which the roof of the building are supported, they also fall. All the wooden structure fall, all the bodies, people fall, animal leaves, hearts. So he is saying that everything crumble. That means everything is falling. To break, that means everything is break here. Heart, hard to. Everything that is weak react by falling down and breaking in the face of adversity. So the poet is saying that whenever weak person face any adversity or challenges in life, he breakdowns and fails. Here the poet described the power of wind in this poem. The wind is compared with force. In this poem, the wind can easily break windows, panes when it blew strongly. The book or shelf fell down, and the wind tear apart the pages. It feels like wind, enjoy its power, and laugh at weak things. That's all. Thank you.